Science and Technology Part 1st, Chapter number 2, Periodic Classification of Elements. Classification of elements. Today, 118 elements are known to the scientist world. However, in year 1880, only 30 elements were known. Initially, elements were classified by metal and non-metal. Later on, another class of metalloid groups was found. Dobereiner triads. In year 1817, Dobereiner suggested property of elements are related to their atomic masses. He made groups of 3 elements having similar chemical properties and called them triads. He arranged 3 elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses and showed that atomic mass of middle elements is approximately equal to the atomic mass of other 2 elements. He could not classify all known elements into the Dobereiner triads. Dobereiner arranged lithium, sodium and potassium in their increasing order of atomic masses. The atomic mass of lithium is 6.9 and the atomic mass of potassium is 39.1. Then we get the atomic mass of sodium, which is average mean atomic mass of another 2 elements, for example lithium and sodium. We get the mean average atomic mass of sodium, which is 23. Similarly, in case of strontium and bromine, we get the mean atomic mass from the triads of calcium, strontium and barium, and fluorine, bromine and iodine. Newland's octaves. The English scientist John Newland correlated atomic mass of elements into their different properties in different way. In the year 1866, Newland arranged known elements in increasing order of their atomic masses. He started lightest element as a hydrogen and ended with the thorium. He found that every 8th elements had properties similar to those of first elements. For example, sodium is 8th elements from lithium and both have similar properties. Also in case of magnesium, which is 8th element from beryllium. In case of fluorine, which is also 8th element from the fluorine. Newland compared this with octaves of music. He called the similarities of that first and 8th element as laws of octaves.